Hello, so I just want to do this crash video because I know that some of you will need it, especially those of you that will be posting on Instagram and other social media platforms. I had wanted to do this video maybe after this week, next week, because my week is been very has been very tight. My week is very tight. So, but then nevertheless, I want to do this crash video, and this video is all about how to use Canva with your phone. I'll be showing you how you can use Canva with your phone. Canva is a picture editing software, just like you have your Photoshop, your CorelDRAW, and the other softwares that you use in creating images. And this is one of the tools I use in creating images for just my social media accounts. So I want to show you how to do that with your phone quickly. You can use it on your PC, which is the best because of its user experience. Sorry, but then you can still use your phone. These are some of the images I created with Canva on my phone. These are some of the images I created with Canva on my phone. These are images I did with Canva. I didn't do it with my computer, although I've done a lot with my computer, but then I still do with Canva anytime I can access my computer. This is just the last image I posted on our social media account to revive our account, and this image was done with what's it called, with Canva. Let me get the Instagram account. Let me get the Instagram account. This is our Instagram account, one of our Instagram accounts. This is Good Tech Empire's account, and this is an image I did with Canva. An image I did with Canva. It's coming up, sorry. I just revived this account recently. Can you see? It's clearer now. Because I was wondering why it's not clearer here. It's now clearer. Can you see? So I want to show you how to do that with Canva. How you can use your phone. So all you need to do is you have to go to what's it called again? You go to Play Store. You go to Play Store. You search for Canva, and you install Canva. You search for Canva. You install Canva. I already have it in my phone. I can update later. Then after installing your Canva, look at it here. You click on the icon, open it, then you sign up if you don't have an existing account. But if you have an existing account, all you need to do is you sign in. So Canva is built with preloaded images and the templates that you can use that you can work with, sorry, and you can as well create your own from scratch. These are some of the images I did on Canva from scratch. There are a lot of them. I've done so many images. Most of my ebooks, I use Canva to create the cover page of my ebooks. These are so many images that I've done with Canva. This one contains 3 images. This one contains just 1 image. It's coming up. Sorry. This one contains 6 images. This one contains 3. This one contains 3. This one contains 6 images. So many of them. I've done so many images. This one contains 13. So many images I've done with Canva. These are so many graphics I've done with Canva. There are a lot of them. I did these ones from scratch. As you can see, beautiful. They are beautiful. They are great. I did them from scratch. I didn't. So, but then as a beginner, you can choose from these categories and get something done immediately. So now let us create a post on our Instagram page. Again, I want to use our Instagram page as a case study here. We'll be creating a post for it, or creating another post, and our page, Good Tech Empire, is a generalist page, meaning that it does not just do, it's not for web design alone. It does digital marketing. We do a whole lot. So I just want to, this is a post telling them that we have, or we do web design. We develop and design any kind of website. So I just want to do another another post on Instagram. Now I have Instagram post here. I will just tap here, and I will just select anyone. You can select any. I can click on see all. Let me click on see all. Then you can select any image, anyone at all. This was, let me see if I can. This was the first one I used, but let me use this one. Let me just use this one. So this is an image on Canva. It has been shaped to the size of images that should be posted on Instagram. So I don't need to start resizing it. All I need to do is to work on it. So this is the image. I want to change this background. I'll just tap on the image, and from here I can select images from my gallery. You can see images. These are preloaded images on Canva. We have color. I can decide to make it white, or make it blue, or select more colors, but then that's not what we are here for. I want to use an image. So now these are preloaded images on Canva. So what I would do is this. I will simply let me check if my recorder is still up. Okay, it's still working. So I will simply search for digital marketing. Let me just digital marketing. Who is calling me? Somebody is calling me. I'll pick the call later. Excuse me. So digital marketing. Let me just use this image for example. Now I just want to write something. I want to write something here. Okay, it's fine. Just want to write something. Just edit this. Just write digital marketing. Now you see the image is too much. The size is too much. You come here and reduce it. You can reduce the size of the image. Excuse me, I have to pick this call. Hello, ma. Good morning, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, Anna, ma. Oh, mommy, because I want beating. Thank you. Sorry, I have to pick this call. It's an important call. From someone I value so much. So now digital marketing, this is what I just wrote there. Now then I want to say let's handle your marketing campaign or campaigns. Let's use campaigns. Now let me also reduce the size so that it's gonna want it to be in one line. Let's handle your marketing campaign. I want to also add text. I want to add my own text. I'll just tap on this plus sign here. I'll click add text, add your own text, and I'll say let me bring it down here. Just say we've got a team of experts to help you achieve your goals, your marketing goals. As you can see, it's quite a long one. So now I want to straighten it. I will still use this. I will make it straight. Now let me reduce the size of the it's still too much. What I would do is this. Let me just break it down. Mistake here. So the best thing is to play around with Canva. When you play around with it, you will enjoy the tool. when I told some people about the tool, they were like, no, I prefer Photoshop. But by the time they began using the tool, they fell in love with the tool. So I'm just still editing. Yeah. So I can change the font size. Let me change the font size. If Canva has so many fonts here. Now the fonts that have kind of a crown sign means it's a paid font. So you don't bother using them. Just use others. There are so many other good fonts that you can use. Let me try this one. Can you see? Okay. I'm good with this font. Let me reduce the size of the font. Okay. Now I can decide to make this text white or blue. No, blue is not going to work. Maybe yellow. Yeah, yellow is beautiful. So you play around with it. Now also let me try and make this yellow too, so that it's going to be beautiful. Okay. Or let me do for another color. Beautiful. I think it's preferable like this. Or I don't know, just play around with it. Nope. Yellow is better. Yellow or white. Okay. So I think I'm done. This is just one. This is just a crash video, so you need to play around with Canva to get it, to master it very well. I think there's a dot here. Let me remove the dot. We've got a team of experts to help you achieve your marketing goals. Now I can as well decide to change the spacing here, height. Can you see? Yeah, can you see how beautiful it is? So this tool is awesome. It has a lot of functionality. So now if I'm done, I just want to tell you that there are images. If you want to change some images, there are images that have the good crown. These are paid images as well, and you have to pay before you use them. But there is a way to download those paid images and use it without paying for them. I dropped a video about it on YouTube, and I will be sharing the link maybe with you so you can watch it. But it is best done with your computer, not with phone. So if you're using phone, you can just use the free images, or you can upload. You can download from Google and upload and use. So now when we are done with our editing, all you need to do is to tap on this arrow that is pointing downwards, and then your image will download to download into your phone. So you just wait for it to download into your phone. It's going to ask you to share. At that point, you don't need to share. Once it shows share, it tells us that it has downloaded completely. Network is quite slow. Let me just check it up anyway. This is my gallery. It's trying to refresh. Let me see if the image is up. So it has not finished downloading. Let's still wait for it to download. Let me cancel it. Save as. Let me tap it again. It's gonna show. It should download. Network is slow. Network is quite slow. It's coming up. Sorry for the delay. It's not my fault. It's network. Yeah, preparing. It's coming now. By the time this thing gets to the end, my image would have downloaded into my phone. Low battery. Okay, yeah, it's done. So I don't need all these things. It's going to ask you to share. There's no need sharing. I want it to be in my phone, so I will cancel this. I will close this, close this. So now let's go back to the gallery to see if it's there. Can you see? It's refreshing. It's coming up, it's refreshing. Let's take it back. It's refreshing. Oh God. What is happening? The battery is hanging my phone. Let me try and re-download it again. Just do it again. Just need this to come up. Saved successfully. Okay, so think let me go back to my phone, my gallery, and check it up. It's refreshing. Refreshing. Oh God. I have to pause this. Let me pause this and get it done. Okay, so it's back. As you can see, we now have two images because it downloaded 2 times and my phone was kind of being funny. So now let me just post this immediately on Instagram. I want to share this on Instagram. So it's going to ask me where do I want to share it, and I will select direct. No, Instagram feed, sorry. Instagram feed. I'll share it on my Instagram feed. Instagram feed. Can you see? So the thing just fitted into the size of images that Instagram wants. So all I need to do is to click on next here, next, there. It's processing. Now I can decide to share it on our page because it's automatically linked to our page as well. So then I will add some tags. Oh, I want to give it a write-up. I want to say we've got experts. We've got experts to help you achieve your marketing goals online. Then I want to put some hashtag. Make sure whenever you're posting, no matter the page you're handling, add Good Tech Empire hashtag. Let us create a hashtag for Good Tech Empire. So make sure every post you post carries Good Tech Empire hashtag. Then you can now add other posts, other hashtags that relate to what you're posting. Like, and I want to add digital marketing hashtag, digital marketing. Digital marketing hashtag, digital marketing. Okay, sorry, marketing. Digital marketing hashtag. You can decide to add Facebook ads, Facebook ads, Facebook ads, business growth, business growth. So let me just do this for now, and I'll click on share. As you can see, for this web design, I use Good Tech Empire, I use digital, I use web design and web development, because these are hashtags that are related to what we are doing here. So this one too, can you see? So that is it. So this is how to create images with Canva. So the best thing for you to do is to play around with it. Make sure you play around with it, and you will get acquainted with it. So thank you. But I'll be doing more videos on how you can be a good social media manager, and how you should post. I'll be giving you tips. I just want to do this quick crash course for those of us that have given account already to start posting, so you can use it. It's not just for Instagram alone. You can use it for Facebook. You can use it for any image creation, anything that you want to do. So one quick tip here is that follow other accounts. Don't follow, as in check up other accounts that are related in the that are related, or that have things to do with what I ask you to post. Now look at what they are posting on their account, and you replicate the same. But then I'll still give us more video crash course on how you can go about it. So thank you, and I hope we make a better team as time progresses.